Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for tech product insights. Today, we're diving into the world of computer memory with Timetec's DDR3 RAM. Let's explore what makes this RAM module stand out. When it comes to upgrading your desktop's performance, RAM is often the unsung hero. Timetec brings us their DDR3 RAM, designed to boost your system's speed and multitasking capabilities. Let's delve deeper. First, let's talk tech specs. This RAM operates at 1600 MHz and comes in a 16GB kit, consisting of two 8GB modules. It's compatible with DDR3 desktops, both Intel and AMD systems. One standout feature is its dual voltage capability. It can operate at either 1.35 volts or 1.5 volts, giving you flexibility in different system setups. Plus, it's a dual-rank module, which enhances its performance. Timetec takes quality seriously. They use premium chip ICs for high performance potential. These modules are rigorously tested to meet stringent standards, ensuring stability even in extreme conditions. Now, let's talk about the real deal, the performance boost. Adding Timetec's DDR3 RAM to your desktop speeds up loading times, increases responsiveness, and lets you run data-intensive programs with ease. It's a cost-effective way to level up your PC. Multitasking is a breeze with Timetec's RAM. It's engineered to maximize your desktop's multitasking capabilities, allowing you to handle multiple tasks without a hitch. Timetec leaves no stone unturned. Their modules undergo rigorous testing for voltage and temperature resistances, signal integrity, and software compatibility. You can count on high stability. Upgrading your RAM might sound complex, but not with Timetec. The plug-and-play design ensures a hassle-free installation. All you need is a screwdriver and your owner's manual, and you're good to go. There you have it, Timetec's DDR3 RAM. A powerhouse that can breathe new life into your desktop. If you're looking for an easy and cost-effective way to boost your system's performance, this RAM should be on your radar. If you found this review helpful and want to stay in the know about the latest tech products, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tech-savvy.